In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact GoHighLevel support effectively, making it a breeze to get the help you need with your account. Reaching out to support can often seem daunting, but GoHighLevel makes it quite straightforward and user-friendly. Let's walk through the process together step by step to ensure that you can easily access help whenever necessary. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your GoHighLevel account. If you're not familiar with how to do this, it generally involves entering your username and password on the login page. Once you've successfully entered your credentials, click the login button and you'll find yourself on your main dashboard. Once you're in your account, turn your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a blue question mark, which acts as a hub for all support-related functions. This icon is strategically placed and easily recognizable to help you quickly find assistance when issues arise. Clicking on the blue question mark will open up a variety of support resources that GoHighLevel offers. You'll be presented with several options to choose from, designed to accommodate different preferences and needs. Let's dive into what each of these options entails. First, you have the live chat option. This feature allows you to communicate directly with a support representative in real time. It's ideal for those who prefer immediate interaction and need quick solutions to their queries. Simply click on live chat, type in your questions, or describe your issue, and a friendly support agent will assist you in resolving it. Next up is Zoom support. This option is especially useful if your issue is complex and requires a more detailed walkthrough. Zoom support lets you have a video call session with a support agent who can visually guide you through the steps needed to fix your problem. It's like having a virtual meeting specifically focused on solving your issue. You also have the option to submit support tickets. This is particularly handy for problems that might not need immediate intervention, or if you'd prefer to have a record of your issue and its progress. When you click to submit a support ticket, you'll be prompted to fill in some details about the issue, after which a support team member will get back to you, typically within a business day. Lastly, you can access the knowledge base. The knowledge base is a comprehensive collection of articles, guides, and answers to frequently asked questions. It allows you to independently search for solutions and learn more about GoHighLevel at your own pace. By utilizing these support channels effectively, you can ensure that any issues you encounter are addressed promptly, allowing you to continue using GoHighLevel without interruptions. Remember, help is always at your fingertips with GoHighLevel's robust support options.